So the materials that we need for today are the following. You will need a glue gun and glue sticks, a ruler, cut heart-shaped papers for decoration, a pencil or a quilling tool for creasing, a pair of scissors or a cutter, cardstock papers of your choice, and of course our chocolates or any chocolates of your choice. Grab your cardstock paper, a ruler, and your pencil. We will now measure this paper into equal 4 inches square, and we will cut each corner of it to create our outside box. And this is how it looks like. Next is we need to fold each side of this paper to create the base of our outside box. So there you have it. Next is I'm gonna make the base of the second box, which we will gonna put it inside of the first box. The size of the second box is smaller than the first one, for us to make a room for our chocolates when we glue them inside the box. Next is we're gonna make the lids of our bases. The paper size of the first lid is 8 by 8, and this is the lid of our big box. And you have to measure 2 inches from inside to the outer of this paper to create the first lid. And once you're done measuring, you have to crease the paper and cut just one side of each corner so that we can glue them together. And this is how it looks like. For the second and smaller lid, the paper size is 5 by 5 and just measure 1 inch from outer to inside. And then just repeat the process like what we did on the first one. And on this part, unfortunately, my camera went off, so please bear with me. And now I'm gonna reassemble the box. Since the first time I assembled it, it was not recorded because of my camera went off. So I'm just gonna show you right now on what I did, and of course to rearrange the chocolate inside. And the best part is to open our Valentine's Day surprise box. And if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you have any suggestions or what do you think about this video today, just comment down below. And if you're not yet subscribed, please do so. Hit that notification bell so every time I'll be uploading a new video, you'll get notified. And again, thank you so much for joining me today. Please be safe all the time and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!